Welcome to BiblioMax. This is our order and fulfillment module, also known as BiblioDispatch. In this video, we will demonstrate how the process works and how you control and initiate the print and delivery sequence based from the orders from your store. After successful verification and integration of BiblioDispatch app to your stores, you can now access the BiblioMax dashboard, where you can upload your books and sync to your stores. From the BiblioMax dashboard, head to Products tab. Select Add Product. Select appropriate field. Enter a book title. Provide a short description of the book. Add a full description of the book. Enter book retail price in USD. Select your book's trim size. Select your desired binding style. Choose your desired cover lamination. Select desired ink and paper type of the interior. Enter total number of all pages. Choose Yes if there are any pages in full bleed. Add a contributor name and type. Enter your book's ISBN. Add your book's publication date. Enter name of your publisher. Select Yes if your book cover has a barcode. Upload a book thumbnail image. Tick the Terms and Conditions box. Click Submit. Next is order processing. When a customer orders your book from your store, it will automatically be added to BiblioMax dashboard under Pending Orders tab. Select the orders, then click Pay to start the print and distribution process. Note that the customer pays you first, then you have to pay the print and shipping fee from our end. Once done, everything will be hands-free from there. You will be updated on the status of the orders via email. The order will now be moved to Orders tab when payment is completed. And there you have it. You now have learned how to navigate, upload, control over your book orders, and initiating the fulfillment process from print to delivery. Now let's begin uploading your book and start selling.